Hill Carlson here at 2:19 p.m. on a Monday afternoon. I got a downpour rolling through Grand Forks. Driving down Gateway Drive here, Highway 2 headed east, Kennedy Bridge up ahead there. You can see the cars plowing through the sandy water. Getting deep, this thing coming down hard. But we needed any more rain right now. Bad for those farmers around here trying to get going on the harvest. See those cars up ahead. We're driving through some sandy water here. There's street flooding going on as Grand Forks is getting dumped on this Monday afternoon. In Grand Forks, I'm Will Carlson reporting for iNews.tv.